by Coast Wholesale Appliances. Well, things are pretty calm right now. Westbound on the 401, they're still doing some work approaching Jane. The express to collector transfers are closed, and west of Keele and the collectors, you've only got one lane through there. A minor delay developing on that westbound 401 west of Keele and the collectors, just before you get to the express to collector transfers, which again are closed. If you're traveling westbound 401 through Islington in the express, they were doing a bit of work in the right lane, but they're clearing out of there now. There's no delay in the area at all. Otherwise, eastbound 401 seems fine, right from the west end to the east end through the GTA. The 404 Parkway has no issues yet at this point. The eastbound 3W Brenner combination is fine. And lightly traveled so far, not a lot of volume onto those routes yet. We've had a couple of road closures on the Whitney essentially in the Cedar today. And the 407. Eastbound Wesley west to eastbound 407. Whitney 28 and the Foxton Road 31 to eastbound 407. Today, the high of